Hello there. Preparing for your UK theory test? You're in exactly the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the key questions, the easy-to-miss road signs, and the essential tips that help you pass first time. No fuss, no confusion, just clear, straightforward explanations that actually make sense. If you find this useful, do give the video a like, subscribe, and switch on notifications so you never miss an update. Right then, take a moment, get comfortable, let's begin. Question: why is it dangerous to overtake near a junction? A. Your signal would be hard to see. B. You'll be in the blind spot of the driver waiting to emerge. C. A driver waiting to emerge might not see you. D. The road surface will be slippery. The right answer is C. A driver waiting to emerge might not see you. Question 2. What is the speed limit on this road for the car towing the caravan? A. 60 miles per hour. B. 50 miles per hour. C. 40 miles per hour. D. 30 miles per hour. The right answer is B. 50 miles per hour. Question 3. What do the white diagonal stripe markings in the middle of the road mean? A. It's an overtaking area for motorcyclists. B. No overtaking. C. You must not enter the area unless it's an emergency. D. You should not enter the area unless it's necessary and you can see it's safe. The right answer is D. You should not enter the area unless it's necessary and you can see it's safe. Question 4. How can you make sure that a satellite navigation, or sat-nav, system doesn't distract you when you're driving? A. Choose a voice that you find calming. B. Set it before starting your journey. C. Only set the destination when you're lost. Or D. Turn it off while you're driving in built-up areas. The right answer is B. Set it before starting your journey. Question 5. What should you do when you're overtaking a horse and rider? A. Go past as quickly as possible. B. Flash your headlights as a warning. C. Go past slowly and carefully. D. Sound your horn as a warning. The right answer is C. Go past slowly and carefully. Question 6. What should you do if you're driving a slow-moving vehicle on a narrow, winding road? A. Keep well out to stop vehicles overtaking dangerously. B. Give a left signal when it's safe for vehicles to overtake you. C. Pull in when you can to let the vehicles behind overtake. Or D. Wave the vehicles behind to come past you if you think they can overtake quickly. The answer is C. Pull in when you can to let the vehicles behind overtake. Question 7. What's most likely to increase fuel consumption? A. Accelerating around bends. B. Harsh braking and accelerating. C. Staying in high gears. D. Poor steering control. The right answer is B, harsh braking and accelerating. Question 8. If you're involved in a collision, what will reduce the risk of neck injury? A, an air-sprung seat. B, a properly adjusted head restraint. C, a collapsible steering wheel. D, anti-lock brakes. The right answer is B, a properly adjusted head restraint. Question 9. What does it mean if your vehicle keeps bouncing after you sharply press down and release on the bodywork over a wheel? A, the tires are worn. B, the tires are underinflated. C, the vehicle is on soft ground. D, the shock absorbers are worn. The right answer is D, the shock absorbers are worn. Question 10. How should you drive when you're driving along a road that has road humps? A, always keep to the maximum legal speed. B, maintain a reduced speed throughout. C, accelerate quickly between the humps. D, drive slowly at school times only. The answer is B, maintain a reduced speed throughout. Question 11. You have to make an unexpected journey. You're carrying a 5-year-old child on the backseat of your car. They're under 1.35 meters, 4 feet 5 inches tall. How should you seat them if a correct child restraint isn't available? A, sharing a belt with an adult. B, between 2 other children. C, using an adult seatbelt. Or D, behind the passenger seat. The right answer is C, using an adult seatbelt. Question 12. How much can stopping distances increase in icy conditions? A, 2 times. B, 3 times. C, 5 times. D, 10 times. The right answer is D, 10 times. Question 13. You're driving along a country road. You see this sign. What should you do after dealing safely with the hazard? A, check your tire pressures. B, test your brakes. C, accelerate briskly. D, switch on your hazard warning lights. The right answer is B, test your brakes. Question 14. You're approaching a crossroads. What should you do if the traffic lights have failed? A, brake and stop only for large vehicles. B, brake sharply to a stop before looking. C, be prepared to brake sharply to a stop. D, be prepared to stop for any traffic. The right answer is D. Be prepared to stop for any traffic. Question 15. Why are vehicle mirrors often slightly curved, convex? A, they make the traffic behind look bigger. B, they make it easier to judge the speed of the traffic behind. C, they totally cover blind spots. D, they give a wider field of vision. The right answer is D. They give a wider field of vision. Question 16. Why should you slow down as you approach this hazard? A. Because of animals crossing. B. Because of the level crossing. C. Because it's hard to see to the right. D. Because of approaching traffic. The right answer is B. Because of the level crossing. Question 17. What should you do if you begin to feel drowsy while you're driving? A. Continue with your journey but drive more slowly. B. Stop and rest as soon as possible. C. Turn the heater up to keep you warm and comfortable. D. Close the car windows to help you concentrate. The right answer is B. Stop and rest as soon as possible. Question 18. You see a pedestrian carrying a white stick that also has a red band. What does this mean? A. They're deaf and blind. B. They have limited mobility. C. They're deaf. D. They're blind. The right answer is A. They're deaf and blind. Question 19. You're traveling behind a moped. What should you do if you want to turn left a short distance ahead? A. Sound your horn as a warning and pull in front of the moped. B. Pull alongside the moped and stay level until just before the junction. C. Overtake the moped before the junction. D. Stay behind until the moped has passed the junction. The right answer is D. Stay behind until the moped has passed the junction. Question 20. You're following a cyclist. What should you do when you wish to turn left a short distance ahead? A. Go around the cyclist on the junction. B. Hold back until the cyclist has passed the junction. C. Pull alongside the cyclist and stay level until after the junction. D. Overtake the cyclist before you reach the junction. The right answer is B. Hold back until the cyclist has passed the junction. Question 21. You're about to overtake a cyclist on a road that has a 30-mile-per-hour speed limit. How much room should you leave them as you overtake? A. At least a car's length. B. At least as much room as you would if you were overtaking a car. C. At least a car's width. D. At least 2 car widths. The right answer is B. At least as much room as you would if you were overtaking a car. Question 22. When may you wait in a box junction? A. When oncoming traffic prevents you turning right. B. When approaching a zebra crossing. C. When approaching a pelican crossing. D. When you're stationary in a queue of traffic. The right answer is A. When oncoming traffic prevents you turning right. Question 23. You're traveling on a road that has road humps. What should you do when the driver in front is traveling more slowly than you? A. Flash your headlights. B. Sound your horn. C. Overtake as soon as you can. D. Slow down and stay behind. The right answer is D, slow down and stay behind. Question 24. Which lights should you switch on when daytime visibility is poor but not seriously reduced? A, rear fog lights. B, dipped headlights. C, front fog lights. D, headlights and fog lights. The right answer is B, dipped headlights. Question 25. What will happen if you hold the clutch pedal down or roll in neutral for too long? A, it will use more fuel. B, it will improve tire wear. C, it will reduce your control. D, it will cause the engine to overheat. The right answer is C. It will reduce your control.